You are welcome to class. The first word we have is abo. Remember to pronounce it properly. Abo, song. Abo, song. Number two, achicha. Achicha, bread. Achicha, bread. We'll move on. Number three, ada. Ada, daughter. Ada, daughter. Pronounce properly. Number four, aga, aga, needle. Aga, needle. Pronounce properly. Number five, ago, leopard. Ago, ago, leopard. Let's move to number six, which is agolo. Agolo, war gecko. Agolo, war gecko. Number seven, ako, ako, pronounce properly. Arrow, ako. Let's go on to number eight. Aya, this is not aga or aha, it's aya, war. Aya, war. Number nine, ao, the same word, GH pronounced as a, ao, monitor lizard. Ao, monitor lizard. Number 10, agui, 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 crocodile. Let's go to number 11. We have agua. This is low, low, agua, beans, agua, beans. Number 12, agua, agua, high, high, snake. Agua, snake. We move on to number 13. Aha, name. Aha. For the last time, aha, name. Number 14. Aho, aho, body. Aho, body. We move to number 15. Akika, listen to the sound. Akika, akika, termites. Number 16, ako, you can see it's high, high. Ako, ako is high, low. Ako, not. Move on to low, low. Ako, low, low. Ako, riches. Ako, riches. Let's go to 18. Akoko, akoko, side. Akoko, side. This one side of an ocean or a river. Number 19, akoko, akoko, story. Akoko. Move to number 20. Aka, aka, hand. Aka, hand. Let's go to 21. We have anwu, anwu, bee. Anwu, bee. Move on to the next. Number 22. Anwunta. Anwunta, mosquito. Anwunta, mosquito. Let's move to 23. Anyara. Look at the sound. Anyara. This is not anwala. Anyara. Garden egg. Anyara. 24. Anwụrụ ọkụ. Anwụrụ ọkụ. Smoke. Anwụrụ ọkụ. Smoke. We go to 25. Anyanwụ. Anyanwụ. Sun. Anyanwụ. Sun. Move on to 26. Anyụike. 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 Axe. Let's go on to 27. Anya. Anya. Eye. This is more popular. Anya. Eye. Let's go. 28. Aziza. Aziza. Broom. Aziza. Broom. We go on to now 29. Azo. High low. Azo. Azo, fish. We have number 30, which is going to be a different tone, but the same spelling. Azo, low, high. Azo, back. Azo, back. This is the end of this video. Rewatch them again and try to make sure you pronounce them properly and recognize the words. Jesus loves you. Give your life to him today, and it shall be well with you. Okay, let's see you in the next video.